Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome to JavaScript variables. Of course, we have seen how we can declare variables, but in this ways we'll be diving deeper into it. Like I said in the previous lesson, that JavaScript variables are containers for data. So variables are where you store data. It can contain numbers. It can contain string in JavaScript. In English, we call it text or sentence, but in JavaScript, it's called string. So your string can either be in a single quote or in double quote. It can contain arrays, more than one element. It can contain element that has properties. So there are different things that can be stored in your variables in JavaScript. And yes, I say JavaScript variable can be declared in four ways. So there are four different ways through which you can declare variables in JavaScript. We have the modern way and we have the older way. Now, using let and const are the modern ways of declaring variable in JavaScript. And the reason why is because using these two gives you a predictable way to understand and see how your variable works in your program. But in the other way, we have var and automatically. Var refers to declaring variable in an other way that does not give a predictable way of understanding or seeing the way your variable is behaving. So it can produce an inconsistent result and give you an unwanted output at the end of the day in your program. Automatically refers to, when you declare a variable without actually specifying what it should be. So JavaScript can just infer a value or a meaning to it. So these are the four ways through which you can declare variable in JavaScript. Variables are labels for data value. So they're just like when in your kitchen, you can have a container, you put some sauce inside, you have another one, you put some things inside, you can put salt in one, put Maggi in another one. That kind of a thing is the way variables too are for value. So they are like labels. Then you know that, when you see this contains number, this contains string, this contains arrays, this contains object. They are containers for storing data. So it does not matter the size of your data, variables are the containers for storing them so that you know what you are referring to, and it gives you different ways to be able to work with your data per time. Variables are identified with a unique name and identifier. So variables also comes with a unique name of their own. In our earlier demonstration, we'll see how variables can be declared and how it cannot be declared. So these things are very important when you are working with variables so that you can always get a predictable output in your code. So you will see as we progress, you will learn more about why all these things are very important as you continue to learn to become a developer in your field and in JavaScript. So in the next lesson, we'll continue and see what JavaScript variables are, what they are not. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed the class.